Hi, I'm going to show you today how you can get a faster internet connection with Club ADSL. Club ADSL is a prototype wireless client developed by Telefónica I+D that is able to aggregate the bandwidth provided by regular ADSL lines using a regular wireless card like this one. In this demo, we have a laptop equipped with a wireless card connectivity and two 3 megabit per second Telefónica ADSL lines. Each ADSL lines comes with a router like this one, probably like the one you have at home, equipped with an antenna for wireless connectivity. Club ADSL is able to simultaneously connect to both routers via wireless and aggregate the throughput. We'll show you how the increased download speed benefits applications such as high-definition video streaming, and the increased upload speed benefits applications like peer-to-peer content distribution. Here we have the Club ADSL client connected to only one ADSL route. We can see in the graph that we are getting the whole 3 megabit per second provided by the ADSL line. But this is not enough to support this 4 megabit per second high-definition video. The effect is that the video stops and jumps continuously. Now, if we connect to both routers with the Club ADSL, we can see how, after a little bit, the application detects the increased bandwidth and it's able to use the 6 megabit per second provided by both ADSL lines. The benefit: now the user can finally enjoy this high-quality video. And here we have our Club ADSL client connected to both ADSL routers, running a well-known peer-to-peer application. We can see that the application is taking advantage of the full 6 megabit per second provided by both ADSL lines. The reason for this is not only that we have a higher download speed, but also that the Club ADSL client is able to fully utilize the aggregated upload bandwidth of the two ADSL lines. So as we can see, Club ADSL can dramatically improve your internet connection by both aggregating your upload and your download bandwidth. Thanks for your attention and goodbye.